Hello friends, in this lecture I will be discussing about maintaining a website. So website maintenance is about keeping your website updated and relevant. That means your website should be updated with most recent contents and the content which is relevant with the very purpose of your website. It is the act of regularly checking your website for issues and mistakes, if any. This should be done on a consistent basis to encourage continued traffic growth as well as to strengthen your website's SEO and Google rankings. Website maintenance tasks are to be done weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, depending upon the nature of maintenance task. So, a regular monitoring of your website is a must for keeping your business running smoothly. So why maintaining a website is important? So maintaining a current, healthy and active website is important for a number of reasons. And first of them is search engine optimization. So as we know that any search engine like Google wants to rank websites that have the most recent and relevant information on their SERPs, means search engine result pages. These search engines even de-index your website entirely if it has not been updated recent enough or it has been infected by any malware. So you must keep your website regularly updated with the current content, news, keywords, and articles to rank well in SERPs. And the next factor is customer engagement or attraction. So if visitors of your website are not able to find what they are looking for, what they are searching for, the current information, the relevant content, then they will lose interest in your website. So you need to ensure that your website has all information a customer could need, and it should look engaging and attractive for the user. Then third factor is security. So, hackers find and target websites which have been dormant for too long. So, if you are using a website building platform like WordPress or Wix or anything else, you must ensure that you are installing regular software updates and security patches. And fourth one is the corporate image. So, a professional website is expected from professional companies. That means it should look well designed and professional. So your website is a very important element. We can say it is a very important element of your business. If it is up to date and running smoothly, it can be valuable support and asset for your business. And if it is not in a good state, it can cost you dearly by losing your visitors and customers. So do yourself and your business a favor by staying on top of your website. This will repay you with uh, more number of users to your website. Now, website maintenance tasks can be divided in the following categories. So, maintenance tasks which are to be done weekly, maintenance tasks which are to be done monthly, maintenance tasks which are to be done quarterly, and maintenance tasks which are to be done yearly. So first of all, maintenance tasks which are to be done weekly. So these are the very common list of the activities which should be performed to check and maintain a website. First is check that all of the pages are loading without errors. So means the loading of all the pages of your website is smooth without any errors, and run a backup and make sure a previous version of website is stored. So it is always good to have a backup of your website, and it should be the previous version of the website should be kept. Make updates to website, software and plugins. So you should regularly be updating the website software and plugins for their smooth functioning and for better performance of your website. And check that all of your forms running properly. So if you have different forms on your website, so you have to check whether your all the forms on the websites are running properly. Then remove any spam comments from pages and posts. So actually, a spam comment is something which is posted by normally a machine which automatically posts irrelevant comments, or which may contain some advertising or some advertisement links to other websites. So you have to check for such spam comments and take necessary action. Then check all the pages to see if there are any broken links. So you have to check for all the hyperlinks, for all the links to the other pages and to the other websites. See means there should not be any broken links. Then search for 404 errors and fix or redirect. So you have to search for 404 errors. So 404 errors is basically a page not found or server not found error. Actually, it is a HTTP standard response code, which indicates that the browser was able to communicate with a given server, but server could not find what was required. So you have to find all such 404 errors and fix or redirect these queries. Now write one or more blog posts to keep your web visitors engaged and encourage SEO traffic. You should have one or more blog posts on your websites. Now a blog is actually a short form of weblog. It is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject or a subject which is relevant to your website. So there may be more reasons to have a blog post on your website, but a very straightforward purpose is to rank your website higher in Google or SERPs. That means it actually enhances your website's visibility. And also you can earn more real and organic links, because people will find more recent and relevant content on your website, so they will automatically like to be linked with your website. Now maintenance tasks to be done monthly. So these are the tasks, maintenance tasks, which are to be done monthly on a monthly basis. So first of all, check the load speed of your website and ensure that nothing is bogging it down. So you have to check the loading speed of your website. If it is slowing down, then what are the reasons? For example, there may be so many reasons of a website being slowed down. For example, there may be large volume of unoptimized images. There may be the images with high resolutions, or there may be images of larger size. So, and having too much flash contents also make the loading of website slower. So you have to find out what are the reasons that are making your website slower. So you have to find out them and fix them. Then review your security scans and make sure nothing is out of place. So it will help you to prevent and mitigate attacks and hacking attempts. It can also help you identifying vulnerabilities and gaps and detect malwares and bad traffic also. And you have to work towards fixing all these things. Then analyze website statistics from previous month. So every month you have a report from your host to web hosting company to about the statistics of your website. So that will give you an insight of queries posted, how many clicks were made in the last month, number of times a module was displayed, etc. So that all values, that all data will help you in taking actions where your website is lacking. So you have to fix all these things. Then check your blog to see if there are any articles that could be updated. So you have to check your blog posts if there are articles which are not which have not been updated for long. So you have to update them. Now these are the maintenance tasks which are to be suggested to be done quarterly. Review your website design and structure for improvement. So now you should definitely consider your design and structure of website for improvement. Are there any scope of improvement so that we can attract more visitors? Then check graphics and images for updations. Review SEO and meta titles and descriptions to ensure they are as effective as possible. So we can see means whether our meta titles or meta descriptions have the enough keywords to describe our website. So are the or we should include some more keywords so that we can have a better SEO ranking. Then test your website on all devices and browsers to see if it displays correctly. So definitely this task is to be done quarterly to test that your website is opening on all kind of devices and browsers properly or smoothly. Then review your workload for efficiency to see if anything can be automated. So you can check the workload on your website for efficiency, and you can see if any task on your website can be automated. Now maintenance tasks to be done yearly. So these are the tasks which are to be done yearly at least. Update any reference to the current year. Since the year has been changed, so you have to find out on your website if there are any references to the current year. So there you will have to change, make the changes. Then ensure that your website domain name is renewed. If it is a 1 year package, so you will have to definitely renew your domain name. Review each page and blog articles for content accuracy, updation, grammar, and relevancy. Now, this is the step where once again we will check the entire content on our website for accuracy, for grammar, and for relevancy. And definitely, we are supposed to have the most updated content on our website. So friends, in this lecture, we discussed what is website maintenance, why the maintaining a website is important, what are those factors which are affected if you are not maintaining your website regularly, and what can be the period for a particular task of maintaining a website. So this is all for now. Thank you.